Guys, I've always wanted to show you a sample of why you should prime your walls. Nothing sticks to dust. See how that's, and I don't see people on YouTube priming their walls before tiling or before waterproof. So how does that tile stick to dust? Look at that. Ah. Everyone talks about burning your glue into your tile or burning your glue into the wall. What a lot of shit. If it's primed first, you don't have any problem. Look at that. It doesn't stick to dust. Look at my hand. It's a no-brainer. Why do people still do it? Look at the dust. Look at my white hand. Look there. There. No-brainer. Nothing sticks to dust. So why don't people prime like I do? I don't know.